My elder daughter got rid of her PCOD issue by following this. And now we feel so energetic, everybody in my family, even if I'm able to help one person. So it would be a change. It would be a big achievement for my life.
In 2019, I got diagnosed with umbilical hernia and abdomen separation. I started with smoothie, soups, do not eat the fruit during the day, stop coffee, sugar, candies, all those sort of things that I was eating. And in almost 2 weeks, I stopped all medications. And I know that here in the Western culture, we don't have many answers. We don't have the right diets. We don't have the right direction. So why do not bring this mentality, this lifestyle also here, at least starting from with a friend, the neighbor, and then some other webinars and so on.
My husband has sugar problem and heart disease. We are worried. So now past 1 year, I am following this oil-free cooking and everything. And I joined your online courses also. My husband's sugar level is now 5.8. And now I want to reverse everything. So I joined and I want to serve the people who wants this lifestyle.
I had migraine, I had body pain, I had loose motions all the time, and then I had tried allopathy, homeopathy, yoga and whatnot. And when I came across Sharon, everything just vanished. That is when I realized that I would like to serve people, help people, and I would like to do this, spread this knowledge.
Writing the recipes and how to take the cooking classes, and even making PowerPoint presentation. But this is the first time I made the PowerPoint presentation and giving talks. So all these things has been a great learning.
It's increased my conviction. And I think I will be able to convince, like all of us have been saying that when people ask questions, somehow you kind of trail off. You start off and then you kind of, now I know how to go about it.
In my family, all are Toastmasters. Only I am away. So this time, this program I joined and give presentation and everything. I learned it. That's a great part for me.
I'm just feeling more clearer now in my head as to what I can do and how I can do. And the do's and don'ts, the guidelines, I think have helped me so much.
I have to start doing things to achieve my goals. Because I cannot just dream build on something which I want to achieve. So now I've understood that I need to start now to where I want to reach.
This has pushed me towards technology. And the other thing is connected me with so many people who are at the same energy level.
And now can things be taught in other way, because I've been always teaching in class and never too much online. So this has been a learning process how to do. I particularly love your experience in Zoom and how to do the spotlights. So this was a new world for me.
Now we've learned how to inspire others, made us more confident, and this is definitely what is going to help us ahead in life.
I got a systematic way how to guide other people in spreading this knowledge to the world.
It's a booster dose for us.
Absolutely inspiring.
Enriching.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's been a huge learning journey. Thank you.